square root
2a
b squared minus
a with a
4ac? What? That doesn't make sense. Okay. The square root of b squared minus 4ac?
3 4
How does that make sense?
2a.
I don't get it. Man, I got that fake. What's that? It's that effing education getting A's on my test. Is you mad at is you hate? Hating. Why? Because I'm getting asked. With what? With quadratic equations. That's the same thing I'm having problems with. I think we should call for help. Step 1. Combine like terms and move them to one side of the equation. To move the terms to one side of the equation, we subtracted x squared on both sides and added 5 on both sides. We rewrote the problem and then combined the like terms. Step 2. Write down the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 helps you determine the value of a, b, and c. Step 3. Identify the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic equation. For the equation 3x squared minus 5x minus 8 equals 0, a is 3, b is negative 5, and c is negative 8. Step 4. Substitute the value of a, b, and c into the equation. Substitute all the a's for 3, substitute all the b's for negative 5, and substitute all the c's for negative 8. Step 5. Do the math. First, take care of the multiplication outside the square root bar. Negative times negative 5 becomes 5. Inside the square root bar, negative 5 squared becomes 25. Negative times negative 96 becomes positive 96, all over 2 times 3, which is 6. Add 25 plus 96, you get 121. Then take the square root of 121, and you get 11. Step 6. Solve for the positive and negative answers. The equation then breaks down to 5 plus 11 over 6, or 5 minus 11 over 6. On the left side, 5 plus 11 becomes 16 over 6, simplified by 2 is 8 over 3. On the right side, 5 minus 11 over 6 is negative 6 over 6, which is equivalent to negative 1. Sleepy? We sleep.